y'all doing? Huh?
Time.
Okay, how you want?
Oh, no.
What it do, Band Runner Squad? What's up, you guys? It's your girl Shonda, and I'm back with another freaking catfishing video on Monkey App. So if you're new to our channel, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you share this video out. Make sure you put in the comments your favorite part of the video, and this is how we're gonna do the video. I'm gonna act like I'm cute, and then I'm gonna remove my hair, and voila. Let's get some reactions, you guys. So let's hop right on into the freaking video. Period. What you doing?
Yeah, you know what you're doing.
Nothing, chilling. Just got, huh?
Damn! Why you doing like that?
What?
How you doing like that, man?
What you doing?
Hello. What's up? Oh my god.
What?
You look cute.
Thank you. That's so sweet.
Oh.
What y'all doing? What's up?
What the fuck? What the fuck? Show your titties, nigga!
It's their problem. Angel, what you doing?
Oh, Parker, what is that teeth?
Imagine.
What you doing?
Hey.
You
Hey,
running?
Get some nice teeth. Get some nice teeth.
You not running for real. What's up? What you doing?
Shit, I'm chilling. What you doing?
Nah, shit, chilling. What you?
Chilling out here. Hey,
Huh?
you funny.
Hey, what y'all doing?
Just
Find me.
How about you?
Just doing a YouTube video.
Cool.
Yeah, that's it. Huh? What you doing?
What's up?
What's up?
What you up to?
Nah, shit, chilling. Oh.
I'm done.
I killed him.
Hey, what's up?
What's up, Jake? What you doing?
Just chilling, making a bunch of jokes. What about you?
Just chilling, making a bunch of jokes.
Damn.
Oh, he like my joke. What y'all doing? Huh?
Time.
Okay, how you want?
Oh, no.
Hey, baby.
Hey.
Your hair.
Thank you. What you doing?
I'm just chilling.
Me too.
You got curly hair?
Yes, you like it?
Yes, I like it.
Thank
Give me
you.
a kiss.
Thank you. Hey, Trouble. What you doing, Trouble?
You fucked up with that, man.
Huh? That's Trouble.
Okay, I'm gonna stop screaming, okay, bro?
Okay, I hear what you're saying. Well, what you saying?
Hello.
Hello.
Look at your fucking teeth. Look at your hairline, bro. Look at your hair.
Hi, what you doing?
What's up?
What's up?
What's on your head? What is that?
Huh? What?
Okay, look, you see this?
Oh, okay.
You're beautiful.
Thank you. What you doing?
What are we doing?
Anytime.
Okay, answer. You saw freaking teeth?
You said what?
Oh, shit.
What? What? What y'all doing?
That is your, that,
Look at your chest. Whoa. You got a hairy chest. Man, listen.
Hello?
What you doing?
Who are you?
Pardon me.
damn.
What you doing?
Oh, no, you're beautiful.
Thank you. What you doing?
That's awesome.
What you doing?
That's awesome. I'm right here. Oh, my God.
Hey, what you doing?
Ah, you're cute.
Thank you. What you doing?
Well, I'm about to go sleep.
Me too. I'm gonna sleep in a minute. I'm tired.
Oh my god, you're so pretty.
Thank you. What y'all doing?
How pretty she is. Yes. Oh my god, you're beautiful.
Thank you. What y'all doing?
I'm trying to figure out what the.
Those are fake.
No, they're not. These are mine.
Those are your real teeth?
Uh-huh. Damn. I thought they were just saying how beautiful I was.
Well, hello there. Good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
Over here. Baby, have some time, please. I like you anyway.
Okay, you guys, this is going to put an end to my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Put in the comments if you want to see me do more catfishing videos or whatever you guys want to see. But we love you guys, and it's BANDRUNNERZC squad all day, every day. And I'm in, and now I'm out. Peace out, squad. This time we gon' make it. Together we gon' shine. Can't let them see